Hey guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you a secret command that you can run to quickly open up your power configuration on your Windows 10 Windows 11 PC. So what you want to do, simply click the Windows key on your keyboard and you want to type in run. Go ahead and open up the run command here, and here all you have to type is just simple power and here just simple type power cfg.cpl and hit enter, and you will see that it quickly open up your power configurations on your Windows computer. How cool is that? Now guys, if you knew this, put it in the comment before and say, hey Andrew, I know this one, it's very easy. If not, go ahead and check the description of this video. You'll find this command here and you can simply try this out. I can promise you, whenever you're using your computer next time and you quickly open this and someone see, they may be wondering, oh, you're a pro at computer, you're a pro at using the Windows PC, and you know a lot of commands. But guess what? If you're a user of Windows, you want to have these different little commands in your knowledge. You want to have these little commands in your kitty ready to use to show that you are a pro at using Windows PC. So guys, if you found value here, give this video a like and let me know in the comments below. Check out the playlist at the end of this video, because guess what? You can find a ton of other videos just like this one, which I share with you other commands that you can use to open up various applications just like this one. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.